This video explains how to connect your GSW-H1000 watch with the smartphone. Press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds to turn watch on. Tap the watch screen and select a language from the list. Pairing requires a smartphone running on either iOS version 10 or later, or Android version 6 or later. Download and install Wear OS by Google on your smartphone. Follow the setup instructions shown on the smartphone and tap the watch model name when it appears in the list. Complete the setup on the smartphone device.